Alright tartlets, I'm not sure if you know this, but Cobalt is having a serious moment right now. I'm talking serious. So today I'm going to show you how to create this bold blue cobalt smoky eye. We're going to be using our Amazonian Clay waterproof shadow liner in Cobalt, our Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara, and the shade Force of Nature from our original Tartelette palette, which is this shade right here. So to start off this look, we're going to take that shade Force of Nature and we're going to buff it right into our crease. Now we're going to bring that same shade right along our lower lash line. Now we're going to take that cobalt shade and we're going to apply it all over our lid, up into the crease, and along the outer corner of the lower lash line. Now going in with a fluffy brush, just soften out those edges up into that shade Force of Nature, because that's going to be your guide so you don't go too high or too out of control. Now going back into that shade Force of Nature, we're just going to warm up the edges of that blue we just applied. Now taking a pencil brush, we're going to pick up that cobalt shade and we're just going to buff it out around the outer corner of the lower lash line. Now top it off with a couple coats of your favorite Tarte mascara. I'll be using our Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. It lengthens, curls, conditions, and volumizes my lashes. You cannot get this intensity with the shadow. You can only get it from our Amazonian Clay waterproof shadow liners because these babies are infused with Amazonian Clay, so they lock to your lid and it's true bold pigment. I'm talking bold. Look at that. Alright, leave some blue hearts in the comment section below if you love this blue cobalt smoky eye, and let me know if there's any other tutorials you want to see using our clay pot shadow liners. We've got tons of shades on Tarte.com. Go check them out. They're so much fun. You can line with them, you can use them as shadow, and Allison from our team even uses them as a lip sometimes, so they've got many uses. Alright, tartlets, until next time, mwah, take care.